Hello friends, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to delete TikTok story. So go for your TikTok, click on profile and you can see this is my story here. So now you have to just click on here three dot option and you can see here's a delete option. Just click on it and go for delete. So it's gone. So this is how you can delete TikTok story. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.